here, gonna review the Walmart Expert Grill thermometer, this bad boy right here. Now this particular one I left out in the rain for a couple weeks. I couldn't find it, then I found it in the rain, so we can't review this one. So what I've got to do right now is build up the mental stamina to go to Walmart and get another one mid-pandemic. The store closes early. We're gonna get ready. We're gonna get another Expert Grill $10 meat thermometer. I'm pretty impressed with this. We'll do a review, maybe an unboxing. I don't know, but we'll get to it. Hit that intro.
We're just three dudes putting in work at a kick-ass bar in East Texas. Every week, we bring you great food and beverage ideas you can make at home. Maybe some reviews, jokes, and definitely some subpar video editing. It's 3D F&B.
Here, shooting selfie mode. Everything's on here. We'll go through the details on the box very soon. Open it up, get her going, show you what it's all about for $9.98 at Walmart. All right, so we've got it. It's got this packaging that everybody loves that's impossible to open. So we cut it with a knife. We used a chef's knife, so we don't want to get a lot of hate on the video for using a chef's knife. So this is how you open it. Already just made that little cut. It's got some instructions. Probably don't need those, but you may. So here it is. It's a firm piece of equipment here. Comes with a battery. Open that up. Battery is back here. Which for $9.99, coming with a battery, or $9.98, not a bad deal. We're gonna zip past this. Battery goes in. That is not the correct way. All right, so we got that in. You pull this off and you are good to go. Your on switch right there, on and off. Ambient temperature, pretty quick. What we'll do in just a second is we'll take the thermometer and we'll put it in a wing or a piece of chicken or something, see how quick it actually gets to the temperature. So pretty simple stuff. We'll get right back with the temperature real quick. We'll throw something in a fryer and let you know how quick this reads, maybe compared to another thermometer.
Alright, so we're going to test it real quick to show how fast and accurate it is. Pop it right in. 189, 190, 192, okay.
That took about 4 or 5 seconds, so not too bad. Also, we forgot to discuss the other buttons. That's just your timer function that you'll see if you're gonna leave it in something. Kind of pointless, but as an instant read, it works pretty good, I'd say. Josh, your thoughts?
We use it quite a lot here, and it gets us through the day.
Absolutely.